Sometimes your biggest enemy is not the world. It's the voice inside you. A voice that whispers fear and failure. But one decision can silence that voice forever. There was a boy named Ian. Smart, full of dreams. But his life always felt stuck. No matter how hard he tried, nothing ever stayed for long. He would start studying, then stop. He would make plans, then forget. He wanted to grow, but he didn't have the discipline to continue. At school, he sat alone near the window, watching his classmates improve, while he quietly fell behind. Every day, he felt more disappointed in himself. One afternoon, his teacher noticed something different. His silence, his sadness, and the pain in his eyes. She called him after class. "Ian," she said softly, "you don't need talent to change your life. You need discipline. Small habits, done every day, can create miracles." That night, Ian sat in silence, thinking about those words. For the first time, they felt real. They felt like hope. And then he made a decision. "I won't change everything at once," he thought. "I will start small and stay consistent." The next morning, he began with just 10 minutes of reading. No pressure. No big expectations. Just one small step. Then he added another habit. Writing one page every day. Some days it was easy. Some days it was hard. But he never skipped. Days became weeks. Then something amazing happened. Ian began to change. He became calmer, stronger, more focused. Discipline was shaping his life. One day, he completed an entire chapter without giving up. For the first time in his life, he felt truly proud of himself. He entered a school competition and shocked everyone by winning first place. The boy who once quit everything had finally learned to win. His teacher smiled with teary eyes and said, "I always knew you could do it, Ian. You just needed discipline. Remember, discipline will take you where talent alone never can. Start small, stay consistent, and your life will transform."